Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another video. Yet again, it's time for the Witch's Moon unboxing. I'm so excited and happy I subscribed to this month's box, guys. Can't wait to dive in. It's just so beautiful how the outside is with all the magical symbols and all of them around the little Earth Witch's Moon symbol. Oh, I just can't wait to open this baby up. I look forward to it every month, guys. Totally my vibe with fall right now. This is so cool. Yay, there's a sigil too. I've subscribed to their boxes for a while, guys, but I haven't got one with like a sigil. I think I got something before, but not an actual piece of paper that has it on there. I love their sigils. They like look very like Chinese, but with like Western touch. It's so magical. I'm so happy with that. Let's go ahead and open this little card of the month up. So it looks like my tarot card for the month is nature. This is so funny. I need to spend more time in the nature. Take a moment today and stand outside and quieten your thoughts and breathing. Know the sun and your soul are always shining, the birds in your heart are always singing, and the flowers in your path are always opening up. You don't have to action these things into being, you just have to turn up. Look around and feel into life. Notice how your dreams and desires surround you in many ways. It may not be the precise thing you desire, though it will give you the same feeling. Look for where your dreams and desires are instead of where they are not. Shift your perception and you will change your life. I love this with the heart charka. Very resonating with my soul. Thank you, Witch's Moon. Let's see what the name of this month's box is. I don't want to open it up all the way to like get spoilers, but it's the Shadowland is the the Shadowland is the theme of this month's box, guys. I'm so excited. I'll definitely have the close-up shot for you like always of all that stuff, but looks like we got the little sigil on here. And the Book of Shadows artwork are smaller this month, but ooh, I get two. So let's see. I wonder if I had any past lives where I worked with these magical beings. I don't think so. Who knows? One is the Holly King and one is the Oak King, guys. So these are very beautiful Book of Shadows artwork. They're so cute. I can't wait to add this to my little Witch's Moon Book of Shadows that I created. Ooh. So the Evergreen Holly King is the personification of the waning year. As a divine spirit of transformation, he represents natural cycles of change in the forms of darkness, death, and decay. And the Oak King, a likely visitage of ancient Celtic and Northern European sacrificial rites, the legend of the Oak King. I resonate more with the Oak King than the Holly King. He looks more like Jesus, and this is definitely more Celtic. Oh, they're so cool! Love this little Book of Shadows artwork and can't wait to read more about them and all that good stuff. Let's open this orange tissue paper up, guys, and see what is in here. Ooh! I love how it's so packaged so good with all this bubble wrap. Oh, the herbs. Yay, I get another herbal tea. This one is red clover, sorry, this isn't the tea yet. Red clover herbal cabinet. So I got a little bit of red clover for the herbs of this month. I got orange pill, which is awesome. I can always use some orange. Could totally make an oil with that or burn it on my, whatchamacallit, my instant burner, my little cauldron. Got a little muslin bag. And then the Harvest Sunset Ritual Tea. Ooh, this looks very autumn and fall. I can't wait to try this tea out, guys. I made a little video taste testing the other tea, and this makes me want to make another one. Their tea was really good last month's box, guys. Ooh, what is the big baby in here? I want to see what this is, then I need to start reading to you guys what everything is. This looks something very, like, how do you say, like, fall. Oh, this is kind of, whoa. This is very detailed and beautiful, guys. This looks like you can use it as a little incense burner, burn your candle on it. This is such a cute piece for your altar for the fall season. I love it so much. This looks like the Green Man vibes. Oh, it's so cool. It's more my vibe, guys. More of a silver, but it's got like a little bronze. And this is so nice. The quality on this is amazing too, guys. I love it so much. Let's see what some of these things are. So we got the tea. Oh yeah, it is a Green Man. Oh, I'm so happy. I don't have anything of the Green Man yet, so this was him. I'm so happy to have a little something of him. It's a Green Man candle holder with glass insert, so I gotta find the glass insert in there. The deep and resonating meaning of the Green Man holds such prominence within our beliefs in the view of the natural world. It is so easy in the modern age to forget that nature is the true and beholden provider of life. full of free-flowing and guided energy. As we pay homage to our roots, both physically and spiritually, we connect. We understand the true messages and teachings that this brings to our craft and truly resonate with the wisdom that it bears. As each season passes among the many introspections of the Green Man, shifting, changing throughout the coming year, we comply as with the natural cycle of life and the witch's calendar. We truly absorb the practice of birth, growth, death, and renewal. Oh, I love this, guys. I'm definitely gonna have the close-up clip of everything for you. A little bit about the sigil now. Oh, the Green Man's so cool. A lot of people before, like, the churches and stuff happened, he was a thing. He was people, like, worship him and stuff. And his face is even on some churches still to this day, guys. It's so cool. Looks like my camera battery's dying. I'm gonna have to go get a new battery real quick too. My camera battery died, guys, so I had to go ahead and pop a new one in. But where was I leaving off? Basically, I was gonna read into the sigil, but little backstory on the Green Man. His face is on churches still to this day. Before Christians took over and made you like believe one thing, the Green Man, he's still in churches, and he's like a very ancient, old, wise being, and he is basically kind of like Earth Mother Gia in the masculine form. He's so awesome, love him so much. So a little bit about their sigil. I wish I knew which way was upright. I guess I'll have to read this and follow my intuition. So it's a transformation sigil. We have created the sigil for the very intention of promoting a transformative lifestyle. As you meditate or recreate the sigil, allow your conscious guidance of its energy to knowingly push you towards change. We have spent many days meditating and working with our guides to provide you this copy of the original hand-painted transformational sigil for you to work upon. Oh, I love it so much, guys. It's so beautiful. It's so like, ooh, I just love it. It's so witchy, so magical, giving me a little bit of Asian magical vibes with the sigil. I love it so much. About the different herbs, guys, with the orange pill, it's considered a wonderful divination and prosperity ingredient. Orange pill has been used in many of our practices to help us in contacting our guides and opening roads to love and luck on our path. As you place the orange pill amidst your love sachet mixtures, allow its energy and magnetic force to aid you in influencing self-loving energies into your healing transformations. Planetary influences are sun, element influences are fire, gender is masculine. And for red clover, this is neat. I have some cloves over there too that I was using in my magic. Red clover, the beauty that lies within the crop of the red clover bears much deeper wisdom and aid than an apparent. Known for its pain-relieving attributes, this helpful herb is a great companion while working to unload hurtful and damaging energetic experiences. Mixed among tea blends and mojo bags, allow this emotional healer to accompany you on your travels through this upcoming reflective time of year. Affirmation: I let go, healing providing limitless space within my spirit to receive healing and transformative guidance. I really love how they give you herbs each month, guys, so I learn about a new herb each month. It's so amazing. They give you like about 3, but you know, sometimes you just, what do you say? Some of the herbs they give me, I know what they are, and other ones I don't. So it's just so fun to go ahead and receive those and learn about some new magic that I can use in my practice. Let's open more of this baby up. What is in here? Ooh, the artwork is so pretty. The Renewal Sacred Salt. Ooh, my bath salt. I can't wait to use this. Ooh, it looks so like fall and like, Bath and Body Works. Who? This smells so good, guys, and calming. I love this so much. Definitely gonna have to give you those close-up shots. Ooh, this smells so good, so fall. I love it so much. I cannot wait to use this and give myself a good old fall cleansing bath. Love that bath salt. And this looks like maybe, is it a spell candle? Ooh, this one is orange too. Really good for your root and sacral chakras and for this month ahead of us, guys. This fall month, going into Maybon and all that good stuff. Trying to not ruin the tissue paper like I do each time so I can wrap up my candle until I use it. Ooh, Silent Reflection. I wonder is there a spell inside? Maybe not. The artwork is so beautiful on this candle, guys. I love it. I just love the little beeswax candles. They're just so cute and so magical and got that sacred geometry already on it. So cute. So got a little spell candle. Oh, I can totally use that candle. I think they designed it too, guys, for us to pop up in our little cute Green Man holder. That would be so cute to have. What's this? This looks like an oil. Ooh, I love the Sarvati oil from last month's box. It smells so good and everyone keeps on complimenting me and saying that I smell like fall. This is the Green Man oil. Yay, I finally have a Green Man statue and now I got little Green Man anointing oil to work with his energies. And once again, guys, this looks so magical, so fall, this cute little potion. Ooh, I wonder what it smells like. This is so neat, guys. This totally, to me, would smell like what the Green Man smells like. It's very clean and like, it's a clean scent. It's very clean and like very like earth, but a clean earth scent. This is so neat, guys. This is totally giving me Green Man vibes. Totally can't wait to work with the energy of him with this. There's even a piece of cedar in there. It's a very clean earth scent, guys, and it's not like anything I've smelled before, so that is pretty neat. Like, what? That's so amazing. Different than the stuff I have bought from other companies and just made myself. Like, that is cool. It looks like this is the little glass dish. And it's wrapped so good, it did not break at all. And it looks like the little green stuff that they used this month for the packaging is green for the Green Man. That's so cute. So it looks like this is the little candle holder that we can go ahead and pop in our cute little Green Man. So you can pop a little tea light in there, or you can pop in a big orange candle if you want. It's so cute. So that's part of the Green Man guy. And looks like I'm liking this box way more than I thought I would, guys. What? Ooh, I thought this was a candle at first, but I think it's a candle sniffer, and I don't have a candle, I think it's called sniffer or stuffer. What? This is so magical. It looks like a wand, and this is so fall themed. This is so cool, guys. I don't have one of these. I've always wanted one too. Like, eventually I would have to get one. So this just shuts off the candle. In like magic, ritual, and prayer work, guys, sometimes it's like disrespectful to like blow out the candle, so it's more respectful to shut it off this way. Oh, this is so cool. So now I can turn off my candles with ease with this. That's so neat. But personally, in my practice, I think, guys, your breath is such a powerful tool. Breath gives you life. God blessed you with that. It's a beautiful element of his creation, so use it if you want to blow out your candle. But that is so pretty, guys, with the Green Man. The aesthetic is amazing, and it looks like I got some crystals and then some incense maybe. Something's in this little pouch. I wonder what's in here. Ooh, this looks like a piece of like calcite, like honey calcite, and there's a rainbow in it. I do not have this color of calcite, guys, so ooh, what's the energy of this baby? Very healing already. I can already feel the vibes off of this. It feels so healing. I love their crystals, guys. I have to tell you, whenever I open their box, you're meant to like cleanse your crystals, and you know, before you work with them, you need to do that kind of thing. But honestly, with the Witch's Moon stuff, their stuff is amazing, and I can feel the cleansing properties of the crystal already. Like, it's already cleansed. It's vibrating really high. Love it so much. So this is honey calcite, a very grounding stone. The honey calcite brings an abundance of benefits to one's rituals and meditations. A stone of clarity and insight, this beautiful earthly stone is a great assistant while working to open the psychic eye. During such a reflective time of year, this beautiful stone is a great tool to use during divination and shadow work rituals. As you sit with the grounding energy of the honey calcite, allow your focus to easily pinpoint the direction of your needed emotional settings. Affirmation. I work as if one with my purpose, carving and creating the energy that paves the path before me, unbothered and undistracted. Element influences, fire, wind, chakra influences, root, solar plexus, and third eye. That is so cool. I could see why this would help with the third eye in your soul star chakra too. It's so pretty, guys, and it's polished nice, and there's a little rainbow on top of it. And like I said, the energy of this is amazing, and it's cool because I don't even have this crystal yet. So I'm so happy to get a new crystal that I don't have. That's really pretty. And it looks like the last thing I got in this beautiful box, guys, is my incense. So this is neat, guys. I wouldn't say this is one of my all-time favorite Witch's Moon box, but I love it so much for like the month of fall. Like, for a fall vibe, it's so cute. Like the color theme and how everything is together, and like the quality of this cute little Green Man candle holder. So now he can be on my altar or in my room. Everything is just so pretty for fall. I think they nailed this box down so much, guys. I cannot wait for next month for Halloween, All Hallows Eve, Samhain. Their box is gonna be so kick butt and witchy, I bet. Oh, this is such a good incense smell, guys. Let's see what this incense is about. Warmth of Seasons Incense Sticks. We have included this wonderful seasonal incense within this collection to bring warmth and comfort to your surroundings during times of meditation and shadow work. As you allow the smoke to drift through your sacred area, allow its protective energy to communicate with your aura. This feels so healing too, guys. This is a beautiful like fall scent, but This isn't something you would get from like, you know, the store where you go to like buy incense. Like this is so different. It's handmade. It's a clean fall scent. It feels very healing to me more than protective, but I know there's definitely protective herbs in here too. I feel so healed when I smell this, guys. I feel like this is such a beautiful shadow work kit to like do your healing magic, because this is, through shadow work you need to heal yourself while you release, and this is a very healing incense. And like same thing with the oil, it feels so clean and probably going to be so healing working with the Green Man. I cannot wait to work with these beautiful items, guys. I didn't want to read everything on the list, but I will definitely have close-ups so you guys can go ahead and see all that good stuff if that's what you're into. And one last thing, I think I always forget to show you, but they give you an extra piece of parchment paper so that you can go ahead and do your magic work on there, add it to your book of shadows, or burn it in your ritual, whatever you want to do. I just love the Witch's Moon so much, guys. They are amazing. Links in the description box and the comment section if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. They always have such beautiful, great things, and for like the value of what I paid, like this is amazing for 54 bucks. Like what? This kind of easily costs like $30 at a certain like occult shop, if not more. It's just so beautiful, and it's like heavy, good quality. This feels like metal. Oh, I just love my little Green Man. Can't believe I have a little cute Green Man, and he will really match the like aesthetic of my bookshelf. I love this box so much, guys. Like always, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And I call upon Goddess Nyx's full moon from her sacred groves into my wand, beautiful divine energy, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit. In Goddess Nyx's holy light, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated like always, so mote it be.